Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are those sugars that cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler carbohydrates. They may be classified as trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, or heptoses, depending upon the number of carbon atoms, and also aldoses or ketoses, depending on whether they have an aldehyde or ketone group. Simple monosaccharides consist of a linear chain of more than 2 carbon atoms, one of which forms a carbonyl group, which is a functional group composed of a carbon atom double bonded to an oxygen atom. The sugar is an aldose if the carbonyl group is an aldehyde. The sugar is a ketose if the carbonyl group is a ketone. The simple monosaccharides are 3 carbon trioses: glyceroaldehyde, an aldrotriose, and dihydroxyacetone, a ketotriose. Simple monosaccharides with 4, 5, 6, and 7 carbon atoms are called tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, and heptoses. Pentoses and hexoses cyclize to form pyranose and furanose rings. Pyranose is any cyclic hemiacetal form of a monosaccharide having a 6-membered ring, while furanose is any cyclic hemiacetal form of a monosaccharide having a 5-membered ring. Formation of these ring structures is the result of a general reaction between alcohols and aldehydes, or ketones, to form derivatives, which is hemiacetals or hemiketals. A hemiacetal or a hemiketal is a compound that results from the addition of an alcohol to an aldehyde or a ketone, respectively. When a cyclic hemiacetal is formed, an additional asymmetric center is created. In glucose C1, the carbonyl carbon atom in the open chain form turns into an asymmetric center. The C1 carbon atom is called the anometric carbon atom, and the alpha and beta forms are called anomers. Thus, 2 ring structures can be formed as alpha-D glucopyranose or beta-D glucopyranose. The designation alpha means that the hydroxyl group attached to anometric carbon is below the plane of the ring. Beta means that it is above the plane of the ring. Physiologically important monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, or fruit sugar, which is a simple ketonic monosaccharide found in many plants, galactose, which is a sugar found in milk, and ribose, which is a component of the ribonucleotides from which RNA is built. And so, this compound is necessary for coding, decoding, regulation, and expression of genes. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.